This Remax Select property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Mountain views at this 3-bedroom 1-bath brick ranch with unfinished basement situated on 1.8 acres. Covered front porch to enjoy the beautiful country setting. Sunroom connects the kitchen to the carport and includes the laundry. All kitchen appliances will remain. 2023 roof and septic tank. Basement is plumbed for a bathroom and has a garage door. Lots of potential and perfect for storage. A 600 square feet block building, formerly a small restaurant, has 2 half baths and new roof, endless possibilities for any small business. On the property, you will find a fenced-in yard with storage shed and chicken coop. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704